Girls are inspecting their new boxes. Hey, sweetheart. That I lined this morning. That's a naked neck chicken right there. Great large brown egg layers. I have 2 of those. They're kind of like a little turkey. But they're checking it out. And there is some seed. It's clover hay, so they're enjoying themselves. They're there. Throw them some seed there. And they're checking out the area. What are you doing? Where do you think you're going? That's my buff rooster. And I also have a red rooster. Right there. It's going to have a really pretty black cake. He's a sweetheart. He lets me pet him. And there's the girls inspecting.